Ever found yourself on a long flight, inspired to write, but utterly frustrated by the lack of internet connectivity? Or perhaps you're at a cozy cabin in the woods, the perfect muse for your next novel, only to realize your trusty writing software is completely useless without a Wi-Fi signal. As authors, we often crave uninterrupted focus, a bubble where the world outside fades and our words take center stage. But what happens when that perfect writing environment is also an internet dead zone? This is a scenario many writers face, and it brings us to a crucial question for anyone considering a new writing and formatting tool. Can you use Atticus offline? It's a simple question with a surprisingly nuanced answer, and understanding it can significantly impact your workflow and peace of mind as an author. For years, the gold standard in book formatting, Vellum, has been a Mac-only affair, leaving a vast number of PC and Linux users feeling left out. Then came Atticus, promising a cross-platform solution, a true all-in-one tool for writing, editing, and formatting. The initial buzz was huge, and for good reason. Atticus aimed to be the Swiss Army knife for authors, simplifying the often complex journey from manuscript to published book. But in this digital age, where everything seems to be moving to the cloud, the offline question becomes more pertinent than ever. After all, what good is an all-in-one tool if it ties you to an internet connection? Let's dive deep into the world of Atticus and its offline capabilities. The short answer is, yes, you can use Atticus offline, but with some important caveats. Atticus is built as a progressive web app, or PWA. Think of it as a supercharged website that can behave much like a native desktop application. This PWA architecture is what allows Atticus to be cross-platform, working seamlessly on Windows, Mac, Linux, Chromebooks, and even mobile devices through a browser like Chrome. To use Atticus offline, you first need to install the PWA onto your device. This isn't a traditional software installation in the sense of downloading an .exe file and running an installer. Instead, when you're on the Atticus website, app.atticus.io, using a compatible browser like Chrome, you'll typically see an Install App icon in your browser's address bar. Clicking this essentially creates a shortcut to Atticus that functions like a desktop application, allowing you to launch it directly from your computer's program folder or desktop without needing to open your browser first. Once the Atticus PWA is installed and you've logged in while online, you can open a project and continue working on it even if you lose your internet connection. This is a massive relief for writers who often find themselves in situations with unreliable Wi-Fi or who simply prefer to disconnect to minimize distractions. Your work automatically saves to your local device, ensuring that your progress isn't lost. However, it's crucial to understand the limitations of Atticus's offline mode. While you can write and format your current project without an internet connection, certain functions still require you to be online. The most notable of these are initial login. The very first time you want to access Atticus, or if you've been logged out, you'll need an internet connection to log in and authenticate your account. Changing projects/books. If you want to switch between different book projects within Atticus, you'll need to reconnect to the internet. The application needs to sync with the cloud to access your other saved projects. Importing documents. Bringing in a manuscript from an external file, like a docx, requires an internet connection for the import process. Exporting documents. Once your book is complete and formatted, exporting it as an EPUB, PDF, or docx file for publishing will also necessitate an internet connection. This is because the export process often involves server-side rendering to generate the final, perfectly formatted files. Syncing to the cloud. While your work saves locally when offline, it won't sync to the Atticus cloud servers until you reconnect to the internet. This cloud syncing is a vital feature, as it provides a robust backup of your work and allows you to access your projects from any device. So, while you can write offline, it's a good practice to periodically connect to ensure your latest work is backed up and accessible elsewhere. Future collaboration features. Atticus is continuously evolving, and future features like collaborative writing will almost certainly require an active internet connection to function. So, how does this translate into practical use? Imagine you're at a coffee shop with spotty Wi-Fi. You can launch Atticus, open your current novel, and write to your heart's content. The occasional internet drop won't interrupt your flow. When you eventually get back to a stable connection, Atticus will seamlessly sync your changes to the cloud. Or consider a cross-country train journey. You can load up your project before you depart, and then for hours, even without internet, you can continue to refine your chapters, tweak your formatting, and add new content. The moment you arrive and connect to Wi-Fi, your work updates, ready for the next stage. The key takeaway is preparation. To maximize Atticus's offline capabilities, ensure you have the PWA installed on your device, and always open the specific project you intend to work on before you go offline. If you foresee a long period without internet, it's a good idea to open all the projects you might need just in case. Atticus's approach to offline functionality is a smart compromise. It leverages the benefits of a cloud-based system, automatic backups, cross-device access, while still offering the flexibility for writers to work in environments where internet access is limited or non-existent. It's a testament to the developers understanding the real-world needs of authors who don't always have the luxury of a consistent, high-speed connection. In essence, Atticus offers a hybrid experience. It's a cloud-first application that understands the need for local resilience. This means less worry about losing your work, more freedom to write wherever inspiration strikes, and the assurance that your book is safe and sound, whether you're online or off. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.